Welcome to this special Disneyland Paris construction update in collaboration with DLP Works. Exciting transformations are underway as new experiences and magical enhancements take shape. From expanding lands to brand new attractions, Disneyland Paris is evolving like never before. Stay with us as we walk you through the latest updates, bringing you closer to the magic of tomorrow. Let's get started. At number 1, construction materials, including soil, gravel, and paving stones, are now strategically stored on site. This proximity allows for efficient access, signaling that ground paving operations will continue in the coming weeks. At number 2, the planting of ornamental trees has begun in front of the Eastern Pavilion. These carefully selected species feature slender trunks and high-branching canopies, allowing them to be pruned into whimsical shapes, perfectly complementing the pavilion's Art Nouveau design. At number 3, the Eastern Pavilion's canopy now displays its final color palette, marking the start of intricate thematic detailing. At number 4, a new kiosk near the Eastern Pavilion has its walls in place, with scaffolding still present, indicating that structural work is ongoing. At number 5, the Western Pavilion now boasts a completed roof adorned with decorative valances, further enhancing its immersive design. With the removal of scaffolding, exterior work appears to be finished, shifting the focus to interior construction. Meanwhile, adjacent kiosks continue to take shape. By late 2025, a new boutique will open near the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, designed by Walt Disney Imagineering. Construction begins in April 2025, transforming the former Fast Pass area into a 1930s Hollywood-inspired shop. 1. The exit wall mural of World Premiere is being carefully repainted. This artwork showcases characters and universes found within the park, arranged to correspond with their actual locations. 2. At Animagique Theater, the old studio number signage has been removed and the cornice has been smoothly filled in. A fresh coat of paint is being applied to create a uniform look throughout the area. 3. Concrete bases are being installed on the esplanade in front of the theater to support future vegetation and lighting fixtures. Nearby, next to the World Premiere Wall, soil preparation for landscaping has already begun. Progress on the Space Mountain renovations at Disneyland Paris is well underway. Scaffolding structures, standing about 10 meters tall, now surround a section of the Space Mountain Dome. The scaffolding extends from the entrance of Star Tours to the area where the former Fast Pass terminals were located. 1. The tarps at the back of Castle Stage have been removed, revealing significant construction progress. The steel framework is now in place to support the brickwork for the retaining wall. This expanded area will house a technical room equipped with a video projector designed to blend seamlessly with Castle Stage's architectural style. 2. The concrete for the stage deck has been poured, offering the first glimpse of its final shape. 1. The extensive refurbishment project involves installing technical infrastructure to ensure safe access for workers. Scaffolding continues to expand, reaching new heights on certain rock formations, while floating bridges have been strategically positioned near wooden structures. In recent days, safety cables have been installed from the mountain's peak to various work zones. 2. Scenic renovation is also underway, with the removal of the iconic Mill Camp Tower roof on Lift B. 1. The steel framework for the security screening area at Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, has been installed. Materials for the next phases of construction are already on site. Additionally, fences near the lake have been removed and replaced with floating barges to ensure worker safety. 2. Paving work is ongoing in front of Earl of Sandwich. The presence of formwork and technical ducts suggests plans for a potential green space designed to complement the surrounding pavement. Minimal progress has been noted at the Casa Julia restaurant site since the last update. Preparations for the major ticketing renovation at Walt Disney Studios Park are progressing. The temporary prefabricated booths, which will serve as replacement counters during the refurbishment, are currently receiving their themed exterior finishing touches. This project is expected to take several months as part of the park's ongoing transformation. Work is ongoing around Animagique Theater, with notable progress on the future landscaped areas. The front facade of World Premiere is receiving a fresh coat of deeper orange paint, enhancing its appearance. The Disney character mural now appears to be fully completed. However, there is still no sign of Walt's statue, perhaps for a specific reason yet to be revealed. Toy Story Playland's new entrance is coming together, with newly installed toy-themed posts lining the pathway. The first decorative string lights are expected to be added soon. Meanwhile, theming work continues at Gazebo Garden, with additional details being added to the surrounding walls. The pavement along Hollywood Boulevard is nearly complete. Nearby, the fences near the Animation Celebration restrooms are being repainted in white. This section of the boulevard may soon open to allow work to begin on the flooring at the entrance to World of Pixar, near Flying Carpets over Agrabah. New trees have been installed across the Walt Disney Studios expansion site, adding greenery to the area. Fresh snow detailing has been added to the North Mountain in preparation for the upcoming Ice Castle installation. Scaffolding is gradually being removed from various sites, unveiling more of the themed elements being developed. New concrete borders have been installed around the planter facing the pathway to Cars Road Trip. This feature will serve as a thematic transition, blocking views of Frozen's North Mountain to preserve the Cars theme, likely enhancing the surprise effect. Flooring work in the area is also nearly complete, and at Regal View Restaurant, some tarps are starting to come down. Work is ongoing on the new security checkpoint for guests entering from Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. At the same time, paving work in front of Earl of Sandwich is progressing well. Step into Disney style, where fashion meets magic. This chic boutique offers a fabulous selection of Disney-inspired clothing and accessories, with nods to the iconic Edna mode. Discover exclusive pieces, a customization corner for a unique touch, and even tasty macarons to fuel your shopping spree. Right next door, Disney Glamour brings high-end elegance with fashion collaborations, dazzling jewelry, and stylish apparel, including creations from Pandora, a must-visit for trendsetters looking to add a touch of Disney magic to their wardrobe. That's a wrap on our latest construction update at Disneyland Paris. A huge thank you to DLP Works for this collaboration. Be sure to check them out for even more park updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, keep the magic alive.